Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. Had to change that battery. I hate when the battery's like, oh, I'm done. And here's her accessory. She's got a little tart. We'll zoom in. There we go. So there's Hayden with her tart. And her... I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's just a little... It's just a little... Looks almost like a piece of like styrofoam, but it's not. It's actually like a little thing, but there's nowhere to stick it anywhere, so there's nothing else in there. And I don't see it in her little description. Okay, so next Pop Teenie. While I'm opening this, if you don't mind liking and subscribing, it helps the algorithm on YouTube know that you like our videos. I'm gonna cheat. Handy dandy box cutter here. All right, y'all ready? I can aim it up a little higher so you can see it pop. When I get it to pop, you almost have to turn them one way before you can turn them the other way to get it to work. And we got a lot more of the messies. Yeah, no, we get a better place. I'll just pop them open if we ever get these again. Okay, and there's who we got. Let's see if we can figure out who she is. She is, it's not her. Oh, maybe it is. She looks like she's Maya, but I can't tell which Maya she is. Oh, sometimes these do not want to. Don't do this at home, kids. That would be why. Okay. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh yeah, okay. She has a little purse. There's her little purse. And she's got a hole in her head. I think that's... Does she have a hole in her head? Yep, she has a hole in her head. This is her little... Apparently her little barrette, because that was just too hard for them to put on there. So this is Maya. She is from the the Rainbow Unicorn Surprises. She's cute. There's another one of those. So let's see what else we've got here. Twist it. It always pops off upside down. And we got her. She is, let's see. Let's look her up. Maybe she'll focus. Come on. There we go. Okay, sometimes you gotta tap the camera. She is Lily from the Winter Wonderland Surprise. And let's see what her accessories are. Use my nail this time. They do not make these child friendly. Actually, a kid could probably get these out a heck of a lot easier than me, because that's how that always works. They've had child safety on lighters. When I was a kid, my mom would ask me to start her lighter because she couldn't get it. Isn't that the way child safety things usually work? Kids can get to it a lot easier than the adults can usually. Not to scare any new parents out there. Okay, here's her accessories. She has a cupcake with a bite taken out of the top of it, the icing, which would be me right there, because I like the icing better than the cake. And then she has her little crown. And it's right there. Next, let's see what we got here. See if we can just aim it in there. You ready? Always turn the wrong way. Hey, that actually worked okay. Alright. We got another, what's her name? Maya. This is the same one we just got, so it's a repeat. I don't know if we had her. Yeah, we got her the other day, so she must be pretty common. I'll show you what all we got the other day before I turn the video off. If I remember. Hopefully I will, but sometimes my brain just doesn't work right. Also, if you don't mind, if you want to hit that notification bell up there, you'll get reminded of videos when we put them out. Another one of these. And her accessories again. Got her unicorn top and her little purse. See if we can get her purse on her. See, they don't make them very willing to hold their items. Get in there. Come on now. I'm gonna make it get in there. That'll work. I don't care. I do, but it's just making me mad. Hold your purse. Carry your purse. She's like the girlfriend you get that's always like, hold my purse. She's cute though. Okay, we got 2 left. Hopefully we'll get something other than her and her. I don't think we had the... No, we didn't. We haven't got her yet. Okay, so... Where's that to hold it up? Oh, I can't see over there, so let me pull it down. Get ready. We got her again. It's a lot of duplicates, people. Come on now. And then let's see what she's got down here. Well, we already know what she's got. She's got her half-eaten cupcake and her little crown. I've got 6 more of these, so I will do another unboxing here in a minute when I'm done with this one. Her cupcake and her, where's her crown? There it is. So shoved in the corner of the bag down there. Get this up here. Alright, last one. If y'all want to check out our giveaway, we'll have a link to that down below. It'll also, the video will pop up right up there for one of our giveaways. Well, see, I hate when that happens. I went to take the little bit of plastic off the top and the top popped off, so we'll get rid of that. But we'll still pop her so you guys can see. Ready? You'll actually be able to see her pop out this time. There she is. And we hadn't gotten her this time. We got one of hers before, but we have not gotten this one. So let's see her. There she is, and she is Sophia from the Cutie Animal Surprise collection. And let's see what her accessories are. But the link to the giveaway down below will be current. We'll keep that current. So if you click down there, you will go to the current giveaway. And let's see what we got here. And if you're new, welcome. I'm saying that a little late, sorry. If you've been here before, we're glad to see you again. She got a little thing of, I guess, cookies, if it'll focus. There we go. A little plate of cookies. Oh, and I like her little headband. It's a fox. Let's put it on her. Oh, and her dress is a fox too. I didn't realize that. That is adorable. I like that. We see foxes out here where we live sometimes. Okay, so we got 6 figures. We got 2 of those and 2 of those, but that's okay. I don't remember how many of these there are. There's 25 of these to collect. Here's the ones we got before, if you want to see them. We got her, another one of her. Oh, let me hold them up here. These are the ones we got before. We got these 2. And then we got these 2. And then we got these 2. I like the little panda. She's cute. This one right here. If it'll zoom. Come on, camera, work for me. There we go. And then you got all their little goodies down in the back there. So, move these. These are what we got this time. So the Pop Teenies are pretty cute. Would you guys get them? If you've ever tried them, did you get little dolls that we didn't get? Do you all collect them? I don't even know if there's another series of these. If you know anything about these, like where you could originally get them or anything like that, leave it down in the comments down below. If you've gotten these before and you like them, tell us that. If you don't like them, let us know that too. But thanks for stopping by. It was great being here, and we'll see you in the next one.